What's up, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I want to show you another Shinola keychain that I just bought. This one is called their Twist leather keychain, and it's because the top here is twisted, so it's kind of like a single piece. There's like the sewn-in padded center that's side stitched with color matching stitching. Shinola Detroit stamped right in the top. And it's not that big, right? As you can see, this is one of their more modest keychains, and it's just a nice way to have a Shinola Detroit hanging off your keys. A little padding maybe to quiet down some clattering keys. As you can see here, here's how the twist works. It's actually, if I were to cut the stitching or the where they're kind of melded together here, you would just pull this away, and it would kind of like be a reflecting piece up here that gets twisted down and then sewn together. And then right there, I don't know if you can see it, only built in the United States, Horween leather. So you get genuine Horween leather. Comes with this inch or inch and a quarter ring, flat ring in silver. Some of the pictures it kind of looks gold. Don't be confused by that. But nice size. Just kind of something you can throw onto pretty much any keychain, and you know, it's going to fit in. This one's in the red or the burgundy, but they do have other colors. So I'll put a link to it in the description. Check it out. Peter Von Panda out.